Hello everyone, this is Physiotherapy from HealthQ Rehab. Today we are going to discuss, is popping sound in knees normal?
Is the most common question come across from most of people. Occasionally, popping or cracking can be normal and is generally considered harmless. However, if the noise occurs regularly and is associated with pain, then it's a point of concern. Popping sounds usually aren't signs that something is wrong. A lot of joints crack and the knees are a really common joint to crack. You may hear occasional pops, snaps or crackles when you bend or straighten your knee or when you walk or go up or down the stairs. There are usually top 5 reasons why we hear popping sound in the joints. Number 1. Bursting of gas bubbles. It happens when carbon dioxide builds up in the joint synovial fluid and is released as a gas bubble that bursts when the joint adjusts rapidly. Bursting of these bubbles makes popping or cracking sound in the knee joint. It is absolutely normal and can happen on day-to-day basis. Number 2. Osteoarthritis of knee. Osteoarthritis of knee is very common because of wear and tear, aging and degeneration of smooth cartilage that surrounds the bone, which forms the joint, get pitted and roughened. This hinders the smooth movement of knee joint and lead to noise called popping or crepitus. Number 3. Overuse injury of knee. Repeated movements in improper pattern or overweight put excess pressure or the stress on the knee joint, which affects its smooth movement and alignment of kneecap, which lead to the popping sound. Number 4. Malalignment of kneecap bone. Kneecap bone is also called as patella. It is attached to the tendon of front thigh muscle. If there is weakness or tightness of this muscle, it affects the ability of patella bone to glide smoothly on the knee joint surface, which leads to popping or cracking sound in the knee joint. 5. Injury or impact to the knee joint. Injury to knee joint can also be a reason for these cracking or popping sound, as because of injury there will be damage inside the knee which affects smooth movement of knee joint.